The next problem is root over 1 minus x to the power 4 dy dx is equal to x. How can you do this? Dy dx is equal to x by root over 1 minus x to the power 4. Then dy is equal to x dx by root over 1 minus x to the power 4. Integrating both sides, we get, you can solve it in two ways. First of all, you put x square is equal to z, then dz is equal to 2x dx. Then x dx means integration dy is equal to, this is dz by 2 by root over 1 minus z square. Why it is z square? Because it is x square and its square. Then x square means this is z square. Then you get half dz by root over 1 minus z square. That means half, or y is equal to half sine inverse z plus c. Here z means this is equal to half sine inverse x square plus c. This is your required answer. This is method 1, and its alternative method is put x square is equal to sine theta. Then 2x dx is equal to cos theta d theta. Then integration x means root sine theta. X dx means cos theta d theta by 2 by root over 1 minus x square and its whole square. That means this is sine theta whole square. That means half cos theta d theta by root over 1 minus sine square theta. That means half cos theta d theta by cos theta. Cancelling cos theta we get half theta plus c. That means half theta means sine inverse x square is equal to theta. Then theta means this is equal to sine inverse x square plus c. This is your required solution. So there are two methods to solve this problem. First one is put x square is equal to z, and second one is put x square is equal to sine theta. Then you get the desired answer. Problem 17. Root over a plus x dy is equal to minus dx, or dy by the method of separation of variable, you transfer this x by the root a plus x dx, and integrating we get y is equal to minus x by root over a plus x dx. Now put a plus x is equal to z square, then dx is equal to 2z dz, and x means z square minus a. Now x means z square minus a, dx means 2z dz, and root over a plus x means z. Cancelling z, we get minus 2 z square dz plus 2a dz. That means minus 2 z cube by 3 plus 2az plus c, and z means minus 2 by 3, z means a plus x whole to the power 3 by 2 plus 2a into root over a plus x plus c. This is your required answer, and this is equal to y, where c is an arbitrary constant. Next problem is 1 plus x square dy dx minus x is equal to 2 tan inverse x. Now, or 1 plus x square dy dx is equal to x plus 2 tan inverse x. Dividing both sides by 1 plus x square, we get x by 1 plus x square plus 2 tan inverse x by 1 plus x square. Multiplying both sides by dx, then dy is equal to x dx by 1 plus x square plus 2 tan inverse x by 1 plus x square dx. Integrating, we put here half, so that this is 2x dx. Now you substitute 1 plus x square saman z, then dz saman 2x dx, and tan inverse x is equal to u, then du is equal to 1 by 1 plus x square dx. Therefore, y is equal to half 2x dx means dz by z plus 2 dx by 1 plus x square. That means du, then means u du. You know the formula, half, this is log z plus 2 u square by 2 plus c1. Cancelling 2, we get, now substituting the value, half log z means 1 plus x square plus u means tan inverse x whole square plus c1 is the arbitrary constant, where c1 is equal to arbitrary constant. This is your answer. Problem number 19, dy dx is equal to x log x. Multiplying both sides by dx or transferring dx, and after integrating by parts, we will get the desired result. This is try yourself. This is a homework for you. Next, sum number 20, dy is equal to x e to the power x dx minus 5 by 2 dx plus cos square x dx. Integrating, y is equal to, this can be done by parts method. You know that x integration e to the power x dx minus ddx of x e to the power x dx into dx minus 5 by 2x, and this can be done by multiple angle method. That means taking half, this is 2 cos square x, 2 cos square x means 1 plus cos 2x. Now, or y is equal to x e to the power x minus 1 into e to the power x dx minus 5 by 2x plus half integration 1 plus cos 2x dx, or y is equal to x e to the power x minus e to the power x minus 5 by 2x plus half x plus half sine 2x by 2 plus c. So your required answer will be x e to the power x minus e to the power x, or taking e to the power x common we get x minus 1, and from minus 5 by 2 plus half x means minus 2x minus 5 by 2 plus half, that means minus 5 plus 1 by 2 minus 4 by 2, that means minus 2 plus 1 by 4 sine 2x plus c, where c is the arbitrary constant. C is equal to arbitrary constant. Write it here. C is equal to arbitrary constant. This is the problem number 20. And the last problem is x cube plus x square plus x plus 1 dy dx is equal to 2x square plus 1. Now dy dx is equal to 2x square plus 1 by x cube plus x square plus x plus 1. Integrating we get or y is equal to taking common from these two we get x square plus 1 x plus 1 and 1 into x plus 1, or 2x square plus 1 dx by x plus 1 into x square plus 1. Now how can you solve it? It can be solved by partial fraction method. That means 2x square plus 1 by x plus 1 and x square plus 1. This x plus 1 means this is a linear factor and it can be decomposed as a by x plus 1, and this is bx plus c by x square plus 1, or 2x square plus 1 is equal to a into x square plus 1 plus bx plus c into x plus 1. That means is equal to a into x square plus 1 plus b x square plus cx plus bx plus c, or taking common x square a plus b plus b plus c plus a plus c. Now comparing with these two, 2x square plus 1 and this, comparing this, a plus b is equal to 2, b plus c is equal to 0 and a plus c is equal to 1. That means a plus b, I can write it, a plus b is equal to 2, b plus c is equal to 0 and a plus c is equal to 1. You notice here that there is 2b, 2c and 2a. Now add both sides, we get 2 into a plus b plus c is equal to 3, or a plus b plus c is equal to 3 by 2. Now a plus b is equal to 2, then c plus 2 is equal to 3 by 2, then c is equal to 3 by 2 minus 2, that means minus 1 by 2. Again b plus c is equal to 0, then a is equal to 3 by 2. b plus c is equal to 0, a is equal to 3 by 2, c is equal to minus half, and b is equal to, b means a plus c is equal to 1, then b is equal to 3 by 2 minus 1, that means this is half. So we get from here integration dx and integration dx. A means 3 by 2, then 3 by 2 dx by x plus 1, plus b means half x, c means minus half by x square plus 1 dx, or this is equal to 3 by 2 log x plus 1 plus half x by x square plus 1 minus half dx by x square plus 1. Now multiplying half, we get this is 2x by x square plus 1. Now 3 by 2 log x plus 1 plus 1 by 4 log x square plus 1 minus half tan inverse x plus c, where c is the arbitrary constant. So our required answer will be y is equal to 3 by 2 log of x plus 1 plus 1 by 4 log x square plus 1 minus half tan inverse x plus c.